Hello guys, today welcome back again to the channel, Tools and Gadgets. We're going to do an unboxing review of the Leatherman Surge. Okay, so I got the gift box. Some of you might get the hard plastic package. Okay, so let's do an unboxing. So inside the box, you will get a sheath, the tool itself, the manual, and the wood and metal file. There's two slots here, maybe the other one is already installed on the Surge. So that's about it. So what I noticed directly guys is that the Surge doesn't come with a pocket clip. Not the same as my Charge, that it comes with a pocket clip right out of the box. So the sheath here guys is it's bigger than my Charge. Yeah. That explains the bigger size of the Surge. Yeah, so here it is guys. So it has a knife. This is a 420HC steel. The scissors, it has a spring when you fully open the scissors. On the other side you have the serrated blade. Oh, so here's the pre-installed saw, so you can interchange that with this one right here. So let's try to do that. Let's set this aside. It's really hard to open it. Maybe let's do that later. Okay. So that's about it. That's the 4 tools that you'll get on the outer side of the tool. So on the inside is the pliers. Yeah. It has a replaceable wire cutter. I could say that the Surge pliers is a little bit bigger compared to the Charge. Here's a side-by-side comparison. So the Surge is a little bit bigger. For me, I think it's a little bit stronger compared to the Charge, but you never know. So on the side you get the ruler, both ends, and what I like about the Surge, it has an owl. Yeah, an owl. You could use this to, let's say, make a bigger hole or make a hole on the concrete wall, or you can use it as a stitch. Here's your pry tool. It acts as a large screwdriver. You have a, is this a medium or a small? I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's the 3 tools on this side. On the other, we got the exchangeable bit driver and the can opener / wire cutter over here. Yeah. So this exchangeable bit driver is really useful, as I have the bit extender here, and you can just use the typical bit screws. Yeah. To extend the length, the reach of your Leatherman. Well, for me, this here on the Surge is a little bit sexier compared to the Charge. Yeah. So the Surge, guys, it doesn't come with a bit screws. This one, I got this at my Charge, and I just placed it here on the Surge's pouch because I already bought with me the bit screws, the 40 set bit screws here in my Charge pouch. So at least you could use your bit extender and bit screws from your Charge or Surge or whatever. And as what I've seen on the internet, they sell this, Bosch sells a saw for this, for the pipes, the aluminum ones. Yeah, so let's try to exchange it, guys. Well, this is very brand new, that's why it's really hard to change the saw. Yeah. It's really hard. So at least you know, guys, that once the saw or the file is installed here, it's really, it will stick in its place. It won't just easily come off or what. Yeah, it's really hard. So I'll just keep that for now and place this back again on its shaft. Okay, so that's the Leatherman Surge. Let's try to place it. I already placed the bit screws here. Once again, this does not come with the Leatherman Surge or the pocket clip. It doesn't come with any pocket clips. So that's the downside for this, but it has a insert here for the pocket clip. Let's place this first here, and the metal saw file. Okay, so that fits perfectly. Then the Surge. And we could place the bit extender here on the side. Yeah, so that fits perfectly. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. See you again next time. Bye.